Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and connection so you can isolate the mic issue quickly. Make sure the headset has at least 50% charge and the wireless dongle is in a direct PC USB port. Hubs introduce latency and dropouts. Once connected, open Sound Settings and set Arctis 7 as both default playback and recording devices so Windows routes audio correctly. While doing this, keep Steelseries Engine or GG open to monitor device status and firmware prompts. This prevents wasted steps later. Now tackle software layers, because most mic failures stem from drivers or firmware. Update Steelseries GG and apply any headset firmware. This fixes mic calibration and noise gating. If problems persist, reinstall or roll back Windows audio and USB drivers to the last known good version, since recent updates can break device handling. Make sure exclusive mode is disabled in Properties and disable USB Selective Suspend in Power Settings so Windows won't power down the dongle during use. Finish by confirming the mic hardware and performing final validation steps. Inspect the boom connector and cable for bent pins or frayed wires because physical faults mimic software failures. Replace the boom if necessary. Test the headset on another computer, and if your model supports it, try a temporary 3.5mm wired connection to isolate wireless hardware. If nothing works, reset headset settings or factory reset in Steelseries GG. Then retest. If still failing, contact support with logs. 1 tip: capture Windows sound recordings for evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.